Hello everyone, in today's video we're going over a mega huge product. This one right here has already got my palms sweaty. This one is for big creators only, I feel like, and I am a very small creator trying to cover a massive phone that has just now came out. I'm talking about the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. And this one is amazing. This one's probably going to be my largest viewed video. If you guys definitely smash that like button and subscribe, this would be an amazing milestone for me because this is the largest and best item I have unboxed so far on this channel, and would definitely love to continue growing and continue showing you all exactly what I have to offer. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Like I said, we're talking about the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. And this one has a price range of $999 to $1,049, and that is 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabyte storage. And there is no expansion available for the storage, unfortunately, because that is one of the main features that everyone is missing already, and all of the other fellow content creators on the platform have been speaking on as well. So definitely a huge bummer right there, but we do have 6 colorways. We have cream, phantom black, green, lavender, gray, and pink. And this one is actually going to be lavender in color because this is actually not my phone. This is my mother-in-law's phone, and she just now got it and was helpful enough to let me review it. So this one's going to be in lavender color. So definitely do not judge me. It's not my phone. Even if it was, I would probably rock the lavender anyway, because it probably looks slick. But let's go ahead and open up the box. In fact, I know it looks slick because I actually made a cut already and opened up the box just to take a glance at it, and overall looks amazing so far. Like I said, I did not pre-order this, and this is not mine, so I did not get the accessory bundle. And what I did get inside of the box is the phone, and then also we have this, which has our charging cord, has our quick start guide, and also has Galaxy Z Premier, a world of benefits that's waiting for you. I do want to talk a little bit about the back display. We have the back display right here, but before we do that, let's go ahead and actually take the packaging off. And first impression is that it's absolutely sleek. The design is amazing. I would definitely rock the lavender. It is an amazing looking phone, and like I said before, I am a small creator, so I'm doing the feel myself. I'm not going to be able to animate this actual footage for you all because my editing skills are subpar, to say the least, but I am working on those as well, guys. I need to hire an editor here soon, but with this video getting as many likes and as many shares it's going to, hopefully I will be able to afford an editor here soon. So definitely press that like button, comment down below, and subscribe as well. But again, I want to jump back into the phone. The back display is 1.9 inches and it is 260 by 512 pixels. The main display is 6.7 inches, 1080 by 2640p, and that is 426 pixels per inch on this main display. So it's absolutely amazing. Nice looking display. Right here is the power button, and then here is the volume control button. Right in the top right here is another mic. I believe that is a mic. And then over here we have the SIM tray, which is a single SIM. And then the Type-C, USB, 2 other microphones, and a speaker as well. So amazing. Looks absolutely fantastic. There is the cameras on the back right here. Now, since we got all that out of the way, let's go ahead and turn on the phone. Now that we're letting this power up, I want to go over a little bit of the specifications. This actually does have the Snapdragon 888 5G, and it has 8 gigabyte RAM. And it also comes with a 3300 milliamp battery, which isn't too large, but it still should be sufficient for the phone display. This one is not the actual Fold 3, this is the Flip. So it still has the normal size screen, so it shouldn't take up that much more battery space. Everything should be as normal and should charge quickly as well. So also has IPX8 waterproof technology, which means that it can go up to 30 minutes with being 1.5 meters underwater. So that is absolutely fantastic. This will not be S Pen compatible, or has not been so far. I don't know if they can upgrade that or make it compatible at a later date, but so far no S Pen. You can kind of see somewhat of an edge on the pre-installed screen protector, and that is advised from Samsung not to take that off. So do not be taking off your screen protector if you do decide to get this. Let's go ahead and set up the phone and take a look at it a little bit more in depth and get a little bit of a feel for all the key features and details of the new Samsung Z Flip 3 5G. We're gonna go ahead and press start right there, accept all the terms and conditions like normal. You can also set up various ways to protect your phone, such as face recognition, fingerprints, a pattern, PIN, or password. I like the fingerprint setting because now it actually goes off of the sidebar instead of using the display. So let's go ahead and set up a fingerprint right quick. Go ahead and press continue. And before you can register your fingerprints, you need to set a secure PIN lock. So let's go ahead and do that as well. Now it says scan your fingerprint. Put your finger on the sensor and then scan it. So we're gonna scan it multiple times till it is complete. Just gonna, oh, I pressed it too hard, sorry about that. Let's go ahead and open this back up. Enter my PIN right quick. All right, now I'm not sure what just happened. Let's go ahead and wait on this to get the phone ready again. We're gonna go ahead and skip the Samsung account setup. Now it leads us right here to take care of your phone. The screen protector film shouldn't be removed or replaced with other films or stickers for screen protection. That I did mention a little bit earlier, and it goes over it once again when you are starting up the actual phone. Pressing the screen or front camera lens with a hard or sharp object, such as a pen or fingernail, may cause damage such as scratches or dents. That is why the S Pen is not usable on this phone. When you fold the phone, make sure there's nothing inside, such as a card, keys, or coins. This phone is not dust resistant. Exposure to small particles such as sand may cause damage. This phone is water resistant. Immersion in any other liquid than fresh water, such as salt water or alcohol, can damage your phone. Your phone contains magnets. Keep it away from credit cards, implantable medical devices, and other devices that may be affected by magnets. So definitely great to keep that in mind as well. Let's go ahead and press the next button. All right, your phone is set up. Now let's go ahead and press done. And here we are. And super snappy. First thing is first. Definitely very quick. Let's go ahead and open Google. Just accept everything. No need to add the account or anything. And then we're going to go ahead and hop on over to YouTube. Search real life unboxing because you know what it is. Alrighty, 268 videos, 1.09K, and they're getting stacked up, guys. But I believe this one has much more potential, way better potential. So definitely press that like button, as I mentioned before, and let the YouTube algorithm know that you like this video and you want to see more real life unboxing videos coming out in the future. That would be greatly appreciated, guys. I thank you so much for doing that. It really means the world to me. So greatly appreciate that. Once again, thank you all. But like I said, let's go ahead and check out the actual display quality. We're gonna go ahead and press that like button like I just now mentioned, but I'm not signed in, so actually can't do that. But that is actually one of my old videos right here. Overall though, super quick, and it loaded the video extremely fast. This app is using the full screen. The home, back, and recent buttons are hidden to minimize distractions and prevent you from leaving the app accidentally. If you rotate your phone, the buttons will always be located next to the charging port. You can make the buttons reappear by swiping inward from the edge of the screen as shown by the arrow, which is exactly how my other phone is as well, the Samsung S20 Plus, which is exactly what I'm filming on currently. So if that gives you an idea of camera quality, the quality of the camera that I'm using right now is from an older phone. This is the S20 Plus. Another thing I do want to mention, guys, is the cameras. As far as cameras go, the front camera is a 10 megapixel, 26mm, 4K, 30 frames per second HDR camera. The top back is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and then the bottom one on the back is a 12 megapixel wide 27 millimeter camera. Here's a video the next morning of breakfast. Had a little bit of breakfast right here. It is on a paper plate, but you know how I am, you know what I mean? It's in the studio, small creator style. And we don't even have any of the lighting set up or anything. This is just coming from the nearby window in my studio, which normally I have shut when I'm recording because it actually causes more light coming in and hitting the camera. Normally hurts more than it helps, but looks absolutely amazing. We got the avocado on there, we got the bacon, we got the eggs, and we got the, I believe that's wheat, like some honey wheat toasted. Really nice, looking great this morning for breakfast. Got a little bit of yolk that's dripping off there. But yeah, guys, overall video quality looks amazing in my opinion. Add 3 hash browns to that joint and you got a perfectly balanced breakfast. Looking very good this morning. Yeah, definitely A1. But the main thing that we have not done this entire video is flip it. We have not flipped it not once, and I have not yet showed you this back display right here. This display is completely customizable as well. You can swipe through, choose songs and stuff like that as well. There's no music playing, no alarms, but you can set timers and add various other widgets as well to that. So that back display is really cool, but I wouldn't be using it all that much, so I really wouldn't be making the actual decision to purchase this phone based on the back display or really the ability to flip in and out as well. I don't really like the crease right here, and I would get the fold way before I would the flip. But overall, an amazing phone from what I can tell. I have folded it a few times already and it is beginning to get that crease. I'm not sure how much deeper that crease will continue to get over time, but that will be something we will be able to see over time. I do want to try and click this back on and see if we can't go ahead and pull up some more apps and check out some more things for you all. Thank you for your patience, by the way. Like I said, I am a young creator and this is really hard on me. I'm super nervous, but I appreciate you guys sticking around. Another thing I want to do is give you all my personal review on this and whether or not I would purchase this phone. Me, at this given time, I have the S20 Plus and I will not be purchasing the Z Flip 3. I don't believe that it is worth the $999 or the $1,049 either way. Definitely a cool design, very sleek, really like it. I actually like this lavender color as well, but I don't believe for all of the specs that it is worth the $999, or I feel like money could be spent better elsewhere on other phones as well, like the M11 I've been hearing about a lot lately, or the S21 Ultra, or any new phones that might be coming up in the future as well. I'm not really in the phone game, not really in the phone space. I do random everyday products because I'm a smaller channel and I don't really have all the money for all the various phones that are coming out each and every week, it seems like. So I did want to give you guys an absolutely fantastic rundown if I could. I just don't believe that it's worth it, and I would rather get the Fold 3 than I would the Flip 3 because the Fold 3 would actually help me accomplish more, being able to multitask and have multiple windows open and jump between tasks flawlessly with the Fold 3. But yeah, guys, now I actually feel like I'm rambling and I'm taking up you guys' time. I do want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real. Oh yeah.